everyone, it's Heather from Heather Travels, and we are currently at the Great Wolf Lodge in Bloomington, Minnesota, which is the Great Wolf Lodge Mall of America location. It's basically just down the street from Mall of America, and this is a relatively new property. It was formerly a Radisson Hotel, and it was converted into a Great Wolf Lodge about a year and a half ago. Ben and I have stayed here once before, but this is Megan's first stay, and I'm going to take a few minutes to show you our room. Okay, so this is the hallway outside our room. See how the floor looks like bear tracks or wolf tracks walking through the forest. And it's a long hallway. And then the hotel does turn. Last time we stayed here, we were all the way on that end. This time we're closer to this end, and we are in room 412. There are 8 floors in this hotel. And this is not a very big room, but it's kind of neat. Okay. And we would like to say just off the bat that we all agree we like the rooms here better than the ones at the Great Wolf Lodge in Wisconsin Dells. Okay, which is a much older property. This property used to be a Radisson, and they Great Wolf Lodge bought it out and they converted it and added on. Okay, so when you come in the door, there's a closet here, and there's an extra blanket and some extra pillows up there. And sorry, no iron or anything though. And then right here, there's a sink, and we noticed something cute because Ben washed his hands. The soap is a paw. And there's some Great Wolf Lodge body lotion and conditioner shampoo combo, lemon ginger. And there's a sink here, and next to it there's a Kleenex box. There's an ice bucket. There's a coffee maker, a little tiny coffee maker, and coffee stuff. There is both a garbage and recycling, which I appreciate. And then there is a fridge and a microwave. And then there's some storage up above it, so you could actually put like food stuff up here if you wanted to. And then I'm going to take you back over here to the bathroom, right across from the closet. It's a very small bathroom. Just the toilet, and they got a whole heaping bunch of towels piled up there for us. Hair dryer. And then, I mean, you can see the door is opening like right to the tub. It's really small. There's a curved shower rod and a big paw print on the shower curtain. And yeah, this is a very small tub too. It's a small tub. So not a lot of space in this room, but anyway. And then back out here to the room. The kids are sitting on like a bench that's at the foot of the bed, and there's just one queen bed in here. And you're probably thinking, uh-oh, but hold on. And there is a sofa sleeper, which I already looked, and the bedding is all in it. And there's 2 nightstands. And then over here, there's bunk beds. Meg, will you fit? Those look short.
I'll curl up into tight.
Well, I guess they are the same as the bed, though, basically, aren't they?
Yeah.
There's a lot of different... I was looking when I checked in because there was a thing on the front desk with all the different suites. And there's a lot of different room configurations at this Great Wolf Lodge, just like there are at the one in Wisconsin Dells. Did anybody look if this trunk opens?
No, it's fake, I think.
It's on this side.
It's a nightstand.
Doesn't look like it.
1000%
Nope.
cannot.
It's
Not nightstand. It's a
so it's just a
coffee table.
coffee table, yeah. But it's got kind of these cool, like all the other Great Wolf Lodge stickers on it. That's kind of neat. And then there's a little set of table and chairs. And I remember when Ben and I stayed here last summer,
Yeah.
this lamp I think is really neat
Yeah.
with the animals on it. And last time, Ben, didn't we have a picture with a moose?
Yeah.
This time we have a bear. And there's a big TV. And there are 4, boy, these are deep drawers. Big, deep drawers. I just got scuffed.
They're really loud.
Yeah, they are. And then nothing in any of them. And then our view, when the curtains were closed when we came in, it is night, is to the Well, actually is that the Mall of America parking ramp? I think it is. Yeah, it is. That's Mall of America right over there. There's Cray headquarters, and then the Marriott is right next to it, and the mall is kind of behind that. There's the IKEA on the left. Parking lot's down there, and we parked over there. And then there's a Hilton Garden Inn right across the street. So the mall is, I mean, you could probably walk there if you really wanted to, but I wouldn't recommend it. I think they do have a shuttle. And down here you can see the nice portico. We're kind of right over the front door. There is valet parking. And we noticed an underground garage, so we think if you pay for valet parking or you do valet parking, they would park your car in the underground heated garage, which would be a very nice feature in the winter. I also wanted to show you a couple of things they gave us at the desk. The kids each got their own wristband, which are for the water park. And then my wristband is a different color, and mine is also the room key. So it's got an RFID chip in it, which means I'm the only one who has a key. And I don't really like that. My kids are definitely old enough that I want them to have their own keys, and they should have their own keys because we're not going to be together every single second. So I'm not real thrilled that that's how they do it because, yeah, that doesn't really work for me. They gave us some other things when we checked in. They gave us a Dunkin' Donuts, it's kind of like breakfast room service. I don't think we will be using this though. First of all, look at these prices. But secondly, I don't want donuts for breakfast or even blueberry muffins. I mean, that's basically just sugar. And that's not really how I want to start my day. We like to have protein in the morning. And also, you can order wine. They gave me this wine thing that you can order. And then they gave us, there's an order form for the wine on the back. They gave us the daily activities. Oh, Ben, we were going to go down for the story time. We were going to there was a story time at 8, but we kind of forgot. And this shows you all the different events. There's yoga. We could do the Northwoods Friends show in the morning. That's at 9. There's arts and crafts, family fun game, the Great Pumpkin Picking Contest, but it's in the water park. I don't know how that works. More arts and crafts. There's a trick or treat trail. Yeah, they have some Halloween themed stuff since Halloween is a week away. And on the back, it kind of gives some explanations of the stuff. And then they gave us the times. I'll rip this apart. The times that everything is open. And you can have your birthday party here. And then you can get the paw passes here, just like I showed you in the Great Wolf Lodge Wisconsin Dells tour. It's reminding you that you should be under parental supervision and have wristbands with you. And then they also gave us a resort map. This is a very compact resort because, like I said, it wasn't built to be a Great Wolf Lodge. They converted it into one. So this part of the hotel here was the original hotel. And then when Great Wolf Lodge bought it out, they added this wing of rooms. And like I said, last time when Ben and I stayed here last June, we were down like this hallway up on a higher floor. And so it was very quiet. But now I think we're basically like right above the front door, like around on this end on the 4th floor. And so all of this stuff is the adventure park stuff and the shops and everything. And then the entrance to the water park is right here. So I think people are kind of running past us to get to those things. So, and then there's a conference center here as well. And this shows you the different activities, which I will show you in our resort tour tomorrow. And then it shows you on the back where all the rooms are on levels 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I wanted to also point out to you that when you check in at Great Wolf Lodge, you get these cute little ears. We all got our own set of ears. So that was our room, and this is a queen bunk suite, and I got a really good deal again. It was an early saver deal. I got 40% off for 2 nights, so it was only $137, I think, per night, plus tax. No, that was with tax. That was with tax. So it was $137 with the tax per night, and I am going to be making a full resort tour tomorrow morning. It's about 8 o'clock at night right now, and the water park actually closed at 8 o'clock. So we're going to be going in the water park in the morning, and I will do a resort tour in the morning for you. And then if you haven't seen my Great Wolf Lodge resort tour from Wisconsin Dells, I will link that right up here. And we're also going to be doing a video for you comparing those 2 properties, this Great Wolf Lodge and the Great Wolf Lodge in Wisconsin Dells. So you can watch for that. So thanks everyone for joining us today. Have a good night and safe travels.